If you want to learn how to add and format text in PowerPoint quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert text, type inside a text box, and format it so your slides look clean, professional, and easy to read. This is a simple skill, but it makes a huge difference in how good your presentations look. So if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add text. If you're starting from scratch, you can use a blank slide, which gives you the most control. To add text, head up to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Once you're there, click Text Box. This is the tool that allows you to place editable text anywhere on the slide. Now move your mouse over the slide. Your cursor will change, and then you can click anywhere you want the text to appear. After you click, just start typing. PowerPoint will place the text inside the box, and you can type your title, bullet points, notes, or any other content you want to include on the slide. If the text is too small or not positioned where you want it, don't worry, because you can easily adjust it later. Once your text is on the slide, the next step is formatting it so it looks better and matches the style of your presentation. To do that, first select the text you want to change. You can highlight a single word, a full sentence, or the entire text box depending on what you want to edit. After selecting the text, go to the Home tab at the top of PowerPoint. This is where most of the basic text formatting tools are located. Under the Home tab, you'll see options for font style and font size. If you want your text to look more modern, formal, or bold, you can change the font style here. If the text is too small, increase the font size so it's easier to read. If it's too large and takes up too much space, reduce the size until it fits nicely on the slide. This step is especially important if you're making a presentation for class, business, or a client, because readable text always looks more professional. You can also make the text stand out using bold, italic, and underline. Bold is great for headings and important points. Italic can be used for emphasis or softer styling. Underline can help highlight specific words, but use it carefully so your slide doesn't look too busy. A good presentation usually keeps formatting simple and consistent. Another important option is text color. If your slide background is light, darker text usually works best. If your background is dark, lighter text will stand out more. You can click the text color tool and choose any color you want. Just make sure the text contrasts well with the background so your audience can read it clearly. If needed, you can also match the text color to your presentation theme for a more polished look. As you format your text, remember that less is often more. The goal is not just to make the text look decorative, but to make it clear and easy to understand. A slide with well-formatted text looks much better than one with default formatting and random sizing. So take a moment to adjust the font, size, style, and color until everything looks balanced. You can also move the text box around the slide by clicking and dragging it into position. If you want to resize it, just use the handles around the box. This makes it easy to place your text exactly where you want it without having to start over. PowerPoint gives you a lot of flexibility, so once you learn these basics, building professional slides becomes much easier. And that's it. Now you know how to add text in PowerPoint and format it using the basic tools in the Home tab. This simple process can instantly improve the look of your slides and help your message come across much more clearly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.